8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let me show you how to make a deposit on mobile, and the funds will be reflected on PC or laptop on my real account or live account. So this is Deriv cTrader, and if I click on it, I'll go here, okay, here, and I want to turn it to a real account, not a demo, and I will do it from here. Okay, so I'll select a live account. Let me check maybe this one. All right, then I'll go here to deposit, right, and it will take me to Deriv cashier. I have $30 and I want to, so they are saying go to cashier. Okay, you can see this is the option, and I will click here. Okay, I have clicked. The arrow was facing down. So since the arrow was facing down, you can see how Deriv cTrader has popped up. Okay, it was on standard account by default. This was MT5 because that's what I have been using, but now I want to be trading on Deriv cTrader. So what I will do, I will select this one. Okay, so I will enter the amount I want to transfer. Like I said, I'm going to transfer only $10. All right, so I'm going to click on transfer. Okay, not deposit but transfer. Okay, you can see I've transferred funds. So let me go to my desktop, and you are going to see the funds. Let me show you the $10 I have just transferred. It is here, it is reflected here, and the account is live account, and this is my ID. Okay, so the dollar account or the dollar funds is reflected here. Okay, so here on from 3025 I've changed, and what I can do, let me get back to my real account, which is the $10 account. It's here, it is connecting. So once it is connected, we'll see. Okay, it has connected, so let it load. So from here, let me first delete these ones. These were my markups or my analysis. So there's liquidity here, and I am expecting price to reach this end so that it can drop or it can continue, but my target will be here. Okay, so we are on H1 and the time is currently midday, 24 minutes past midday. Okay, so let me see if I enter with the minimum lot size. Okay, so let me first show you something. If I pull this one, since price is moving up, right, let me change the thickness so that you can see it. So you can see this is the liquidity which has been taken, so I can enter from here and target this one. Okay, so let me get the minimum lot size 0.5. Okay, so let me buy. So I'll use this one. Oh, no, sorry. I'll drag this one 0.50 lots. I'll put it here, right? Get the stop loss here. So how much am I risking? I'm risking $3.24. Okay, so let me go to the TP. I can put it here, which is 11. Let me make it. Let me risk. Okay, let me make it $12. So I'm risking I've used the buy limit and not an instant market execution, because if it was instant, I would immediately enter from here, and I'm targeting the resistance zone, which will grab the liquidity on that trend line you are seeing above on that high. All right, and this is the live account. Okay, let me take a screenshot of this or a snapshot. Let me, okay, It has captured it. So that's it. That's how you transfer the funds from Deriv cashier to this one, to this cTrader. Okay, I have not used these options because they were disturbing me. Because when I tried to click my network, because it is poor, I couldn't make it faster. So that's why I used on mobile phone. And you saw what I did when I went on the deposit option. It worked perfectly and real fast. All right, that's it for today. Until next time, keep winning.